I should be in a shampoo commercial. What a great swim. And I found this shell. I know. It'll make the perfect gift. Let's turn this shell into something special. Start by painting the shell with blue paint. Make sure not to miss any spots. Then let the paint dry. Next, we're gonna need gold paint. Add a small strip of the gold paint around the edge of the shell, just like this. Take some wire and use pliers to bend it back. You want to create a small loop in the wire. Punch a hole in the shell and thread the wire through it. Add a decorative bead to the wire, then use the pliers to fold the wire back. We don't want the bead to fall off. Now take another piece of wire and wrap it around the shell. Keep looping it around the shell, so you have something like this. Once you've done that, press the wire into the back of the shell. Then add a chain. Now you can always carry a part of the ocean with you. Hey, can I sit here? How are you? Oh, hi. I noticed you from across the beach and I wanted to give you this.
Really? For me?
It'll look great on you. I hope you like it.
It's beautiful!
So I was hoping we could hang out later. Maybe grab something to eat?
That would be lovely. I can't wait. Huh? Is that my necklace? Where'd you get that?
Gotta go!
Men! Huh. Oops, I'm going this way.
This place looks just like the pictures. What should I do first then? Ugh, I hate watching the news. Hold it! Me? Okay. What's going on? Just this thief running rampant through the city. Watch out for your belongings. This guy can jump over anything. Locked windows are his specialty. One passerby caught him and chased him down the street. But sadly, he is still at large. Call the police with any info. Your home is in danger!
Yikes! What a time to leave home, huh? I can't leave for my vacation. My jewelry is everywhere. So is my money. Unless… Good thing I have a plan in place. I'll be back. Phew. What a trip. But before I unpack, let's see what's been going on around here. The burglar! Just look at the nerve of this guy.
It's nice here. Ooh. Jewelry box? What? Nothing but a bobby pin. What a waste. Where's all the good stuff around here? Still nothing. It makes no sense. Think! The trash? No way. The cops! I gotta get out of here! Oh no!
Well, that worked like a charm. And all it took was a little ball. Check it out, folks. Are you impressed? Instead of the obvious spots, hide your jewels in the less obvious places. No one would ever look in here. Which is why it's the perfect hiding spot. Use a cardboard cutout like this. And carve out a circle in the middle. Use hot glue randomly to hold old wrappers and other trash. Just don't let any cardboard show through. Keep going. And once it's totally covered, you've got yourself a hiding spot. I just need to finish my makeup and I'm ready. There! Looking good. Although, I need something around my neck. This scarf will do. I'm not feeling it. It looks like a superhero's cape. How's that? Ugh, this isn't working. I can't wear this. Oh, I have an idea.
I better put this shopping away.
Oh, that's just what I need.
Honey, what are you doing? I need this, please. This will look good. Or at least I thought it would. There must be something I can wear. Oh, maybe I could use these. How does this look? Ridiculous. What was I thinking? Ugh, what am I gonna do? It's so unfair. And now I'm gonna stress eat. Oh, these are good. What's wrong, honey? I just want a pretty necklace. Hang on. I think I have an idea. I wish I had thought of this earlier. This'll definitely work. Thanks, Mom. Remove the bottom from a plastic food container. Write your name on a piece of paper and place the lid over it. Then trace your name onto the plastic. We don't need this paper anymore. Use scissors to cut around the name. Be careful here. We don't want any mistakes. Place it on a baking sheet and put it into the oven. The heat will cause the plastic to shrink. Wait for it to cool and remove from the oven. It's time to get creative. Paint over the plastic. Wait for the paint to dry. Then attach a chain. My own personalized necklace! Whoa, it looks amazing! I'm finally ready to go. I think I'll treat myself. Huh? How did that happen? Oh, yeah!
Annie? Ugh. Annie!
Hey!
I need you to put these up. Now!
No!
Yes! You don't want to listen to me?
Ugh, this is so stupid. Ugh! I can't even reach that high! Okay. This should be better. Hey! I can't see! Whoa! Ah! Aw, man. These things are everywhere. I can't do this. Wait. I just had a brilliant idea! See these curtain rings? Turns out they're pretty versatile. But first, let's change the color. I tend to like gold. And don't be afraid to paint on a couple coats. Once that's dry, string a thick piece of ribbon through it. Keep going through a couple of them. Flip the ribbon back as you keep adding more pieces. Trust me on this. It turns out super cool! And it makes for the perfect jewelry. See? Who needs curtains anyway? This is way more fabulous.
What? How do you think of this stuff? There. One half's done. Give me the other. You fashionistas.
And then she totally didn't believe me! That's rough. Just take a break. Ooh, snacks! That'll make me feel better. I'll just sneak one while my mom isn't looking. Ahem! I don't think so. Absolutely not! That's too much sugar! Mom, come on! I'm hungry! I said no! And I meant it! You're out of control! If you're so hungry, you can eat something healthy! Oatmeal? Really? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be late! Better check my makeup. Okay, have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye! Oh, Mom! Your makeup! Wait a second. This gives me an idea! I'll just take all the makeup out of the palette. And now to add the gummy bears. Perfect! One for each space. Next up, the hairdryer. Gotta start melting these gummy bears. Ooh, there they go! Nice! It turned out great! Oh, here she comes! I'll eat this candy bar. Oh my gosh! What did I tell you? Well, I'm so hungry, I'd eat this makeup! Mmm, so good! What do you think about that? Oh
mixes a bunch of stuff with Coca-Cola for an explosive surprise. How did he do that? If my calculations serve me right… Oh, I've gotta write this one out. I got it! What's she doing over there? Ugh, that's too complicated for me. My equation is simple and to the point. Just cola and Mentos, baby. Let's try it out. Huh, that can't be all of it. What if I add fairy soap? And a dash of baking soda? That's gotta be it. Yes! Check out the stellar lineup! Eureka! I got it! Get your containers ready! Hello, magic formula. Seriously? Whatever. Mints are my weapon of choice. Specially formulated baking soda. That's it? Feels like I'm missing something. Of course! At least these awful fail tests can be used for something. Anything? My secret ingredient! In you go! This lady's off her rocker. Nothing's happening! Don't look at me. I got this from my kitchen. Same with my fairy soap. And last but not least, the magic ingredient. Cola! Hold on to your hats, kids! Uh-oh. Maybe I didn't think this through. Anyone have a spare towel? At least we all learned something.
Hey! I got us some french fries! Yay! My favorite! Oh, you go first. Can't have fries without ketchup! Yes! All the ketchup! Wow, don't you think you're using a lot? Oh, no, not yet. I don't like ketchup on my fries. I prefer to dip my fries. Which means I need somewhere to put the ketchup. Alright, the edges are all crimped. Now I have a space for the ketchup. See? I made a little condiment tray. Well, whatever. Huh? What's that on my hand? Where did this ketchup come from? Ugh, it leaks through the bottom of the container. The whole thing is destroyed. Ugh! Oh my gosh! You have fries all over your face! I told you were using too much ketchup. Ha ha, very funny. Good thing I still have my burger. Ugh, this day is just the worst!
What a great shopping trip. Time for some ice cream. And chips and soda. I'm in for a great afternoon. Now to catch up on my videos. Oh my gosh! They're so funny! Woo! I love this song! It's totally my jam! Oh, I can't see around her! Hey! I'm trying to watch videos here! Guitar solo! Time to jam out! No! My ice cream! Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry! Ugh! You ruined my plans! Wait! I think I've got an idea! Okay, I'll take the cap off the bottle. And then I'll need a baggie. I'll pour the soda into the bag. There we go. I filled up 4 bags. And I'll need a popsicle stick. I'll put it in the baggie and then seal it closed. These will go in the freezer. There we go. They're done. I'll take this one out and slide off the bag. Nice! My soda popsicle is ready to eat. Ugh. I feel so bad about ruining our ice cream. Listen, it's okay. Have a popsicle. For me? Really? Wow, this looks so good! Thanks! This is amazing! It's almost better than ice cream!